Stop asking AI for answers. Start asking it for outcomes. This is OpenWorker, and it might be the only local AI agent you ever need. The problem with most AI tools today is that they are conversational, not actionable. You chat with them, you get a great answer, but then you still have to copy, paste, format, open your email client, and send the message yourself. It's only half a workflow, leaving you to do the manual labor of actually executing the task. That friction is why we don't use AI for everything yet. OpenWorker runs locally on your Mac, ties directly into your everyday tools like Slack and your calendar, and carries tasks from start to finish. And it's 100% open source. The interface is gorgeous. Instead of just a chat window, it builds actual deliverables, like a sales report or a clean markdown file, right in the app. OpenWorker uses a powerful system called artifacts. When you ask it to analyze a massive spreadsheet, it doesn't just give you a 3-sentence summary. It processes the data, generates a fully formatted analytical report, renders an interactive chart using React, and displays it directly inside the artifact viewer so you can interact with it immediately. Because it's local first, you bring your own model and API keys. Nothing leaves your machine unless you explicitly allow it. It supports a brilliant bring-your-own-model architecture. You can run a lightweight open-source model like Llama 3 entirely offline via Ollama for highly sensitive internal data. Or if you need heavy reasoning capabilities for complex coding tasks, you can instantly plug in your Anthropic or OpenAI API key. Before it does anything important, like sending a message to your team, it checks in with you first. You are always in control. You also have incredibly granular control over exactly which apps OpenWorker is allowed to touch. You can give it read-only access to your calendar to check your schedule, but explicitly require manual approval anytime it tries to interact with your email client or Slack workspace. Let's look at a real-world use case. Imagine automating your daily morning briefing. Every morning at 8 a.m., OpenWorker can securely scan your calendar for the day, read through your unread Slack mentions from overnight, and compile a beautiful daily briefing markdown document before you even sit down at your desk. Because the user interface and orchestration layer run locally using modern web technologies, it is blazing fast. The desktop app itself takes less than 200 megabytes of RAM, meaning you can confidently keep it running in the background all day without draining your MacBook's battery or slowing down your other workflows. It's free, it respects your privacy, and it actually finishes the job. Head to openworker.com to download it today. Subscribe for more open source tool reviews.